Look at this, folks. I mean, for real, y'all ready to make some sliders? Check it out. Okay, let's get into this one right here. Now, about those sliders, what you didn't see is I smoked a chuck roast. And a chuck roast tastes better than a brisket, but you can use a brisket if you want to. If you want to see how I made this chuck roast, I'll leave a link down there in the description. And I would also like to meet somebody that tells me the difference between a chuck roast and a brisket once they both are finely chopped up, and tell me the difference by taste, not looks. But they do kind of look alike too. So, anyway, you're going to start off by slicing and shredding your chuck roast or brisket, whichever one you choose. Mm-hmm. Let's make some sliders, baby. Now, start off by shredding your meat up tiny as possible as you can. Remember, these are sliders. These are not a big hoagie bun sandwich or whatever you want to call it. And this is what I'm going to be using for my sliders. I'm using King Hawaiians. I was looking for potato bread rolls, but unfortunately they were out. So this would do. And look, you see how small they are, right? So to compensate for that, I'm going to be using like four of them at a time, and then I just tear them apart as I eat. And I'm going to show you how I get these all prepped up. You can use them as they are right now, but I take mine a step further, and I'd like to give these a slight little toasting. And I'll show you how I do that here in a moment. Let's head on over to the stove. I'm going to start off by melting some butter over medium heat. And give it a flip so the top can get a small little butter shine. And I'm going to place some provolone cheese on here. Yes, folks, use some provolone. And you're going to do that for both sides of your bun. And this is one of the best parts for me, folks. I mean, just look how this cheese just melts and stretches. Ooh wee. That's something you can't wait to sink your mouth into. I mean, look at that. And it's just still holding up. Okay, that's enough. Let's go ahead and eat. Mm. 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 Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share. You know what to do. Peace. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.